Hello traders and investors. This is a technical analysis video for Vector Space Biosciences, ticker VXV. VXV, I made the previous video about Origin Trail. It's the same. All these coins, their main challenge is to contend with the selling pressure of the holders that held during the bull market, and now they want to dump as soon as possible. Origin Trail, VXV lost how much? 99%, more than 99%, complete and utter annihilation. But fortunately or unfortunately, it doesn't make it an exception in the crypto market. It makes it the rule. So it doesn't affect its chances of a recovery as much as it would if it was a stock. On the weekly chart, you can see it made a correction. It tried to recover during the previous alt season, mini alt season that we had. And since February of 2023, it made its bull market low at 16 cents. Ever since that, it is trying to recover. It had a few good weeks, 1, 2 good weeks. Currently, it is struggling a bit. The bright side is that it is above the 21 EMA on the weekly and the 50 EMA just barely on the weekly. And it has to get over this resistance. This is the 50% of the February week, the February 6th week. This is the weekly chart. I don't know if I said it previous. I think that once it gets above $1.05, it will get over this local resistance. The issue is that we also have a weekly supply zone beginning at $2 and ending at $3. So the main challenge for VXV is to get above the $3 level. Now we talked about a volume profile because a volume profile is the way to identify where the majority of the buyers and sellers are, because once you get over this area, it becomes a lot easier for price. You can see that the majority of the buyers and the sellers are at the bottom, which is good. It's not bad. It's good. I think that once it gets above the 60, let's go for sure. Let's say between 66 and 90 cents, it will find it a lot easier to continue. We also have a small cluster between 2 and 3 cents, but I think the main challenge for VXV is to get above 90 cents. If it will get above 90 cents, I think it will have a lot easier time to continue. On the daily, let's see what we can see on the daily. On the daily, it looks not bad actually. I had the notion that what we have here is a bull flag, meaning that this is a bull flag and this is the flag pole. And if this is correct, then the measured move brings us to $1.50. But I'm hesitant to call it a bull flag because a bull flag is a bullish continuation pattern. What you want to see is a strong move up. You don't want to see a consolidation. You want to see an impulse. But it is consolidating and it is what it is, okay? Now, past performance is not an indication of future performance, and it doesn't mean that it cannot move higher. I think that it can. Maybe this is, yeah, you could say that this is a falling wedge. And if this is a falling wedge, the target for this wedge is already achieved. I'm sorry. This is not a great help. Overall, VXV, I don't want to say that it looks bad, okay, because it can certainly continue, but the chart doesn't show a lot of impulsive demand for the asset, and this is a hurdle that it will have to get through, okay? So going back to the weekly chart, I think that the key level is above um, 90 cents. I think that once it makes it above, even if you want to be more certain, above $1, then yes, it could find its bullish legs and continue upwards in a more impulsive manner. At the moment, this chart doesn't look the best. I think that there are better trades out there. And but if you want to go for this asset with a long-term thinking, then you should check. Maybe this team has an ace up its sleeve. Maybe they have something that can generate demand in the future, and maybe it does have what it takes to succeed. I don't know. The chart only gives you the situation at the present moment, and at the present moment, it doesn't look bad, but it's not the best chart that I've seen. That's all I have for you for VXV. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.